Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall start the part 2 of this video on integrals. So we shall solve some more previous year questions on this chapter on integrals. In the previous part we had solved till the question number 11. So in this second part we shall solve from the question number 12 onwards. And so any doubts you have or any other questions you have, then please write us in the comment section. In any other chapter, if you feel more difficulty, then also mention the name of that chapter in the comment section. And some more homework questions on every chapter will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. In question number 12, it is told to find the integral of sin x cos x dx divided by root over 1 minus sine power 4x. So now if we take sine square x that is equal to t, then we have that 2 sine x to cos x dx that is equal to dt. Means sine x dx will be dt by 2. So therefore this integral I can be written as integral 1 by 2 dt divided by square root of 1 minus t square. So this is 1 by 2 integral dt by square root of 1 minus t square. So this is 1 by 2 sine inverse t plus c. So this will be half of sine inverse t, that is sine inverse of sine square x plus c. So it means that option C is the correct answer. And in question number 13, it is told that integral to find the integral sec x dx by sec x plus tan x. So now if we take sec x plus tan x as t, then if we do d by dx of this, so this will be secant d by dx of secant x is sec x tan x plus d by dx of tan x is sec square x, that is equal to dt. It means that sec x into sec x plus tan x, that is equal to dt into dx, sorry, into dx also you have to do, to dx, that is equal to dt. So therefore sec x dx, that can be written as dt by t. So this integral I can write it as, this is dt by t to 1 by t. So this is integral dt by t square. So this will be equal to minus, so t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So this is minus 1 by t plus c. Therefore the integral is coming minus 1 by t plus c. So minus 1 by t means it is minus of 1 by sec x plus tan x into plus c. So now 1, we can write it as secant square x minus tan square x. Since it is minus 1, we can write it as tan square x minus secant square x divided by this tan x plus sec x plus c. So this we can write it as that this will be tan x minus sec x plus c. So it means that option C is the correct answer. Then here question number 14 is told, if integral of f of x dx that is equal to g of x, then integral f of x into g of x dx, that is how much? So this we can write it as g of x into integral of x dx then minus integral d by dx of f of x, d by dx of g of x, that is g dash x, into integral f of x dx, whole integral dx. So this will be g of x into g of x minus this is integral g dash x into integral f of x dx is g of x to dx. So if we take g of x as t, then g dash x g dash x dx, that is equal to dt. So this will be g of x whole square minus this is g of x integral g of x into g dash x dx. This is t dt. So this is t square by 2. So this is g of x whole square minus g of x whole square by 2. So this will be equal to g of x whole square by 2. So this is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 15, it is told the value of integral minus 2 to 2 ax cube plus bx plus c into dx, that depends on what? So this is ax power 4 by 4 plus bx square by 2 plus cx plus some constant. No, it is not, constant will not come since it is a definite integral. So it will go from minus 2 to 2. So this will be, so this will become 0. This will also become 0. This will be a by 4 into 2 square minus 2 power 4 minus 2 power 4. Then plus b by 2 into 2 power 2 square minus 2 square plus c into 2 minus of minus 2. So this will become 0. So this is 4c. So it depends only on the value of c. So option D is the correct answer. Then it is told here, find the integral of e power tan inverse x to 1 plus x by 1 plus x square to dx. So now here, if we take e power tan inverse x as t, then it will be e power tan inverse x into d by dx of tan inverse x, which is dx by 1 plus x square, that is equal to dt. So this is e power tan inverse x plus e power tan inverse x. Okay, so this is e power tan inverse x plus e power tan inverse x into x divided by 1 plus x square to dx. This will be e power tan inverse x So this is e power tan inverse x. So it is of the form. So suppose we have to integrate some function which is of the form f of x plus x f dash x into dx. So it is of that form only. So then what we will do like integral f of x dx, then plus we will do x into integral f dash x dx, that is f of x, then minus d by minus integral d by dx of x, that is 1, into integral f dash x dx, that is f of x, integral f of x dx. So these two will cancel, then the answer is x of x into f of x plus c. So the answer here will be x into e power tan inverse x plus c. So option C is the correct answer. So then here it is told integral cosec of x minus a into cosec x dx is how much? So this is log of sine cosec. So this we can write it as integral dx by, this is sine x into sine x minus a to dx. Here what we can do, we can write here we can multiply and divide. Okay, this integral, so therefore now this integral we can write this as, we can multiply and divide by sine a, and sine a I can write it as sine of x minus of x minus a, excuse me. So this will be sine x into sine x minus a to dx. This will be 1 by sine a into the integral of sine a minus b. This is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So this is sine x cos a minus cos x sine b divided by sine x into sine x minus a integral dx. So then therefore the integral I can be written as 1 by sine a to integral. So this is cot x minus a dx, then minus 1 by sine a to integral, this is cot x dx. So integral cot x is mod, so it is log mod sine x, is 1 by sine a into log mod sine x minus a, then minus this is 1 by sine a into log mod sine x plus c. So this will be 1 by sine a into log mod sine x minus a by sine x plus c. Or I can write this as cosec x. 1 by sine x is cosec x. So this will be log mod cosec x into sine of x minus a plus c. Means option A is the correct answer. In question number 18, it is told if f of x is integral minus 1 to x mod t dt, then for any x greater than 0, f of x is how much? So this we can write minus 1 to 1 mod t dt plus 1 to x integral t dt. So now we can say that mod t is an even function. Mod t is an even function. So integral minus 1 to 1 mod t dt is equal to 2 into, since we know that mod of minus t, that is equal to mod of plus t. So this will be 2 into integral 0 to 1 t dt. That will be 2 into t square by 2 and that will go from 0 to 1. So this will be 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1. Now therefore the function f of x, that is equal to 1 plus integral 1 to x t dt, that is 1 plus t square by 2 and that is going from 1 to x. So this is 1 plus x square by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is x square by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. This option D is the correct answer. 15th one. Question number 19 is told that you have to find the integral I, which is integral 1 to 3 square root of 4 minus x dx divided by root over x plus root over 4 minus x. Now we know that integral a to b f of x dx, there is a rule. Integral a to b f of x dx, that is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. Plus b into dx. Okay. A plus b minus x into dx. Okay. So now this integral also we can write integral 1 to 3. So this is f of x. So this will be, so now therefore f of x is root over 4 minus x by root over x plus root over 4 minus x. Now therefore f of 1 plus 3 minus x, that is equal to f of 4 minus x. That will be root over 4 minus of 4 minus x. Simply I will replace x with 4 minus x. This will be root over 4 minus x minus plus 4 minus 4 minus x. So this will be root over x divided by root over 4 minus x plus this is x plus this is root x. So now therefore this is the integral I, which is root over x by root over x plus root over 4 minus x dx. Therefore if I add these two, then I will get 2i, that is equal to integral 1 to 3 root over 4 minus x plus root x divided by root over 4 minus x plus root x into dx. So this will be 1. This is integral 1 to 3 dx, which is equal to x, and that will go from 1 to 3, which is equal to 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, so in question number 20 has been told that 1 by 3 minus 5x into 2 plus 3x, that is equal to a by 3 minus 5x plus b by 2 plus 3x. Then a is to b is how much? So if we take the LCM, this is 3 minus 5x into 2 minus 3x, 2 plus 3x. This will be a into 2 plus 3x plus b into 3 minus 5x. So this will be 2a plus 3b, then plus 3a minus 5b into x divided by 3 minus 5x to 2 plus 3x. So if we compare both sides, this is 1 by 1 3 minus 5x into 2 plus 3x. So if we compare the numerators on both sides, therefore then I will have 2a plus 3b that is equal to 1 and 3a minus 5b that is equal to 0. Therefore if we like this 3a, okay, 2a minus 3b, 2a minus 3b, 3a minus 5b, okay. Then 2a minus 3b, that is 3 into, so if you do 3 into this, so then we will have 6a plus 9b that is equal to 3, and if we multiply this into 2, then we'll have 6a minus 10b that is equal to 0. So now therefore so 6a is 3 minus 9b. From here also we get 6a is 10b, so this is equal to 10b. So therefore 19b that is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3 by 19. So therefore now 3a that is equal to 5b, therefore 3a that is equal to 5 into b, that is 15 by 19. Therefore a is equal to 5 by 19. Therefore a is to b will be 5 is to 3. Option A is the correct answer. In question number 21, it is told that if integral of f of x into sin x into cos x dx, that is equal to 1 by 2 into b square minus a square into log of f of x plus c, where c is the constant of integration, then f of x is how much? X is how much? Okay. C is the constant of integration, then f of x is how much? C is the constant of integration, then f of x is how much? So we know that if integral of g of x dx that is equal to some, suppose p of x plus c, then it means that d by dx of p of x that is equal to g of x. Now therefore d by dx of 1 by 2 into b square minus a square into log of f of x that is equal to f of x into sin x into cos x. Now therefore This is a constant, so it will come outside. So 1 by 2 into b square minus a square, 2 d by dx of log of f of x is 1 by f of x into f dash x, that is equal to f of x to sin x into cos x. So it means that from here we see that uh, that f of x whole square divided by f dash x, that is equal to 1 by 2 sin x cos x into b square minus a square is equal to 1 by b square minus a square into sin 2x. Therefore, we have f of x whole square divided by f dash x, that is equal to 1 by b square minus a square into sin 2x. If we integrate both sides with respect to dx, then we get, so if we take f dash x as t, then okay, so if we take log of yeah.
Recording in progress. Recording stopped.
After 6:30 I have one class. No, no, no. Okay, so here, so if we take f of x, if we take log of f of x as t, then 1 by f of x into f dash x, that is equal to dt. So it means I can say f dash x, we can write it as, sorry, into dx, that is equal to dt. So we can say that okay. So actually from here we can do one thing. We can write f dash x divided by f of x whole square is the reciprocal of this, that is equal to b square minus a square into sine of 2x, sine 2x. Now then we can integrate with respect to dx. So then if I take f of x equal to t, then f dash x dx, that is equal to dt. So therefore we can say this is integral dt by t square, that is equal to b square minus a square will come outside, and that is equal to this is integral sine 2x is minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. Okay, so therefore this will be minus 1 by t, minus 1 by t, that is equal to b square minus a square. So we can say b square minus a square into minus cos 2x by 2. So these two will cancel out. So then we can say t is equal to 2 by b square minus a square into cos 2x. So t is equal to f of x. So f of x is this. So it is the option A. Option A is the correct answer. Then in question number 22 it is told, if the integral root x dx by x into x plus 1, that is equal to k tan inverse m, k tan inverse m, then k and m are how much? Okay, so if we take root x, so if suppose if you take so this we can write it as dx by root x into x plus 1, that is equal to k tan, and so this integral I can write I, so this is I equal to this, so this is equal to so now, so if we take this x root x as t, then 1 by 2 root x dx, that is equal to dt. So dx by root x I can write it as, this is integral 2 dt by this is 1 plus t square. So this is equal to 2 tan inverse t. So this is equal to 2 tan inverse of root x. So therefore k is 2 and m is root x. So 2 and root x. So option C is the correct answer. Then in question number 23 it is told to find the integral 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x into dx divided by 3 plus sin 2x. So now therefore this sin 2x, sin 2x can be written as sin square x, sorry, is this plus 1. This can be written as sin square x plus cos square x plus sin x. Now therefore suppose we do sin x minus cos x whole square we do. So that is equal to sin square x plus cos square x minus sin 2x. So therefore sin 2x can be written as is 1 minus cos x minus sin x whole square. Now therefore this integral I can write it as integral 0 to pi by 4. This is sin x plus cos x dx divided by 3 plus 1 minus cos x minus sin x whole square. So suppose here if we take cos x minus sin x as t, then minus sin x minus cos x into dx, that is equal to dt. So sin x plus cos x dx will be equal to minus dt. So this is minus 0 to pi by 4. Now when x is equal to x is 0, then t will be equal to, x is 0, then t will be equal to cos 0 minus sin 0, that is 1. And when x is pi by 4, then t will be equal to 0. So this is going from 1 to 0. This is going from minus integral 1 to 0. Okay. And this will be dt, sorry, minus dt divided by 3 minus t square. So this I can write integral 0 to 1 dt by 3 minus t square. So 3 minus t square I can write it as root 3 whole square minus t square. So therefore this integral I, that is equal to integral 0 to 1 dt by root 3 whole square minus t square, which is equal to, we can write it as, this is log of root 3 plus t by root 3 minus t. Since we know that integral dx by a square minus a square x square, that is equal to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. This will be 1 by 2 root 3 into log of this mod of this, and it will go from 0 to 1. So this will be 1 by 2 root 3 into log. So if I put 1 here, this will be 1 plus root 3 by root 3 minus 1 minus, if I put 0, this will be log 1, which is 0. Okay. This will be 1 by 2 root 3 into log sorry, here there is something wrong. This is 3 plus 1, this is 4. This will be 4 here. This will be 4. 4 minus t square, this is okay. And this is going from 0 to 1. So therefore the integral, this is wrong. So therefore the integral is integral 0 to 1 dt by 4 minus t square. So this is integral 0 to 1 dt by 2 square minus t square. So now we know that integral 0 to means integral dx by a square minus x square, that is equal to 1 by 2a log of mod of a plus x by a minus x. So here this will be 1 by 2 into 2 log of mod of 2 plus t by 2 minus t, that is going from 0 to 1. So this will be 1 by 4 into log mod. If I put 3, this will be, if I put t is equal to 1, then it will be log 3, minus if I put 0, this will be log 1, which is 0. So this is 1 by 4 log 3. So option B is the correct answer. Then in question number 24, it is told to find the integral I, which is integral 0 to 3 x into 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2 dx. Now here, so if we put 1 minus x as t, so then minus dx will be equal to dt. So dx is minus dt and x is equal to 1 minus t. So therefore the integral I can be written as, now when x is 0, then t is equal to 1, and when x is 3, then t is minus 2. So this will go from 1 to minus 2. X is 1 minus t into t power 3 by 2 into minus dt. So this will be equal to minus 2 to 1 t power 3 by 2 into 1 minus t into dt. This will be equal to minus 2 to 1 e power 3 by 2 dt minus integral minus 2 to 1 t power 3 by 2 plus 1, that is 5 by 2 dt. So this will be t power 3 by 2 plus 1, which is 5 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 1, which is 5 by 2, and it will be integrated from minus 2 to 1 minus t power 5 by 2 integral is t power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 whole power minus 2 to 1. So this will be equal to, this will be 2 by 5 into t power 5 by 2, that is 1 minus 1 power 5 by 2 is 1 minus of minus 2 whole power 5 by 2. So actually minus 2 we can't take. So here actually the question was wrong. It should be from 0 to 1 actually. Okay. Now it will be from 1 to, and so x is 0 then t is 1, when x is 1 then t is 0, so it will go from 1 to 0. So this is 0 to 1. This so this will be integral 0 to 1 t power 3 by 2 dt minus integral 0 to 1 t power 5 by 2 dt. So this will be 2 by 5 t power 5 by 2, go from 0 to 1, minus this is t power 2 by 7 t power 7 by 2 whole, and it will go from 0 to 1. So this is 2 by 5 minus 2 by 7. So this is 5 7 is 35 and 7 to the 14 minus 5 to the 10, which is 4 by 35. Which is option A is the correct answer. Then we have to find the value of this integral 0 to 4 mod of x minus 1 into dx. So from 0 to 1, I should say that this is 1 minus x dx from 0 to 1, and more than 1 it will be x minus 1 dx. So this will be integral dx minus integral x dx, which is 0 to 1, then plus integral x dx from 1 to 4 minus integral dx from 1 to 4. So this will be equal to integral dx is x, which will go from 0 to 1, minus x square by 2 from 0 to 1, plus x square by 2 0 to 1 minus x, which is from 1 to 4. So this will be 1 minus this 1 by 2, then plus 1 by 2 minus this is 4 minus 1, which is 3. So half and half will cancel. So this is 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. Yep. So here sorry, this is 1 to 4. So this will be 4 square 16 minus 1 is 15 by 2. This part is wrong. So it will be 16 minus 1 minus this. So this will be 1 minus half plus 15 by 2 minus 3. So this will be 1 minus, so this is 1 plus 14 by 2 minus 3, which is 2 7s are 14. So 7 plus 1, 8 minus 3, which is 5. So option B is the correct answer. Then in question number 26, it is told if in, which is integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx, where n is a positive integer, then I10 plus I8 is how much? N is a positive integer. Then therefore I8, actually here IN, so now therefore IN, suppose I can write it as 0 to pi by 4, then we can write tan power n minus 2x dx, sorry, 10 power n minus 2 into tan square x, 10 power n minus 2 into tan square x dx. Now this we can write it as 0 to pi by 4 tan power n minus 2x into tan square. I can write secant square x minus 1 secant square x dx minus I can write integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power n minus 2x dx. So now therefore in that is equal to 0 to pi by 4. Now if I take this as tan x, if I take it as t, then secant square x dx that is equal to dt. So this will, and when x is equal to 0, t is also 0, and when x is pi by 4, then t is equal to 1. So this will go, this integral will go from 0 to 1, and this will be t actually. Tan x is t, so this I can write t power n minus 2 into dt minus this I can write as in minus 2. So therefore in plus in minus 2 that is equal to this t power n minus 2 plus 1 by t by n minus 2 plus 1. Then it will go from 0 to 1. So this is equal to 1 power something is 1. So this is 1 by n minus 1. So if I put n as 10, so therefore I can tell I10 plus I8 that will be equal to 1 by 10 minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 9. So if you put n is equal to 10 if I put. So therefore option A is the correct answer. Then it is told to find integral e power x into sin x plus cos x divided by 1 minus sin square x into dx. Now 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. So this I can write integral e power x into, this is sin x by cos square x plus cos x by cos square x into dx. Now this we can write e power x integral, this is sec x plus this I can write sec x into tan x into dx. Now there is a rule, that is integral e power x. The rule is that integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx. So that is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Okay. Is e power x into f of x plus c. So this will be, so here if I take sec x as f of x and then sec x tan x will be f dash x. So this will be e power x into sec x plus c. So option C is the correct answer. Then in question number 28, it's told when x is greater than 0, then integral cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square dx is how much? Then so now if we take x as suppose tan theta, then 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, that will be equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now that is equal to cos 2 theta. So now if we take x as tan theta, then theta will be equal to tan inverse x, and dx will be equal to secant square theta d theta. Dx will be equal to secant square theta d theta. So therefore this integral I, that can be written as integral cos inverse of cos 2 theta into secant square theta d theta. So this will be cos inverse cos 2 theta is 2 theta into second integral secant square theta d theta. Or simply I can write it as 2 integral theta is tan inverse x, 2 integral tan inverse x into dx. So this will be equal to, now integral tan inverse x, I have to take 1 as my second function. So this will be 2 into tan inverse x into integral dx minus d by dx of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, and integral dx is x, so x by 1 plus x square into dx. So this will be 2 into x tan inverse x minus, if I take 1 plus x square as t, 1 plus x square if I take it as t, then 2x dx will be equal to dt here. So this is integral dt by 2. So half integral dt by t. So this is log mod t. So therefore the integral, it is coming 2 into x tan inverse x in minus integral minus half of integral dt by t, where t is equal to 1 plus x square. So this will be 2 into x tan inverse x minus half log mod t, which is log of 1 plus x square plus c. So this will be equal to 2x tan inverse x minus log of 1 plus x square plus c. So it will be option D. Option D is the correct answer. Then in question number 19, okay, then in question number 29, it is told that if bracket x is the greatest integer function not greater than x, so it is the greatest integer function not greater than x, then integral 0 to 11 bracket x dx is how much? So from 0 to 11, from 0 to 1, the value will be 0 only. From 0 to less than 1, the value will be 0. So I will write 0 to 1, 0 into dx, plus will be integral 0, so it will be 1 to 2, 1 into dx, then plus it will be like 2 to 3, that is 2 into dx, then at the end it will come plus 10 to 11, 10 into dx. So this will be equal to 0 into dx, so this will become 0 only, so this will be 1 into dx, so this is integral dx is x from 1 to 2, plus this is 2 into integral dx from 2 to 3, plus this, plus here it will come 3 into integral dx from 3 to 4, sorry, this will be x, and plus at the end it will come 10 into x from 10 to 11. So this will be 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus 2 into 3 minus 2, that is 1, plus 3 into 4 minus 3, that is 3, plus 4, and then at the end it will come 10. So 1 to 10 we have to add, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Is 2 5s are 10, 5 into 11, that is 55. So option A is the correct answer. Then in question number 30, it is told in that is equal to integral log x whole power n dx. So then in minus 1, that will be equal to integral log x whole power n minus 1 into dx. N into this will be n into this, okay. Now therefore in plus n into in minus 1, so that will be integral log x whole power n plus n into log x whole power n minus 1 into dx. So now suppose if I take 1 as my second function, so now in this in, suppose if I take 1 as my second function, log x whole power n dx, so then this will be log x whole power n into integral dx minus this is d by dx of this, that is n log x whole power n minus 1 into integral dx whole integral dx. So this will be x log x whole power n minus this is n nx integral nx log x whole power n minus 1 into dx. Okay, but here it will be d by dx of this, so n log x whole power n minus 1 into d by dx of log x, which is 1 by x. So by x will also come, this is this. Okay, so therefore in is coming x into log x whole power n minus this is n into in minus 1. So therefore in plus n in minus 1, that is equal to x log x whole power n. So option C is the correct answer. Then in question number 31, it is told to find the integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 sine cube x dx divided by sine cube x plus cos cube x. So now we know that integral f of x dx, that is equal to integral f of a plus b minus, means if it is from a to b, then it will be integral a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. So therefore now this integral so now pi by 3 plus pi by 6, that is how much? That is equal to 2 pi by 2 3 or 6, okay, 2 pi by 6 plus pi by 6, that is 3 pi by 6, which is pi by 2. So therefore this I can write integral which is pi by 6 to pi by 3, which is this I can write sine cube pi by 2 minus x dx by sine cube pi by 2 minus x plus cos cube pi by 2 minus x into dx. Okay, so this I can write pi by 6 to pi by 3 integral, this is cos cube x dx divided by sine cube x plus cos cube x. So now therefore if I add these two integrals, then it will be 2i, that is integral from pi by 6 to pi by 3, and that will come sine cube x plus cos cube x divided by sine cube x plus cos cube x whole integral dx. So this will be equal to integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 integral dx. So this will be x, that will go from pi by 6 to pi by 3. So this is pi by 3 minus pi by 6, which is 2 pi by 6 minus pi by 6, which is pi by 6. So it is the answer. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, no, sorry, it is not option A. So 2i is pi by 6, 2i is pi by 6, so I is equal to pi by 12. So option D is the correct answer. So pi by 6 is not the answer, but 2i is pi by 6, so I is pi by 12. So D is the correct answer. Okay, so here we shall end the second part of this video on integrals. Hope you have understood all the solutions of these 31 questions on the previous year KCET. In any steps, if you are unable to understand or any other doubts you have, then please write us in the comments section. We shall clarify them in the subsequent videos. I And please install our Sapience education application, where we shall upload some important homework questions on the previous year KCET exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.